In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook image preview in Rank Math. If you've ever shared your homepage on Facebook and seen a random or low-quality image appear, this quick setup will fix that by telling Facebook exactly which image to use. We'll set a dedicated open graph image for your homepage so your brand looks clean and consistent whenever someone shares your site. First, open your WordPress dashboard and head into your Rank Math settings. In the Rank Math menu, go to Titles and Meta, then select the Homepage tab. This is where Rank Math controls the metadata for your site's main page, including how it appears on social platforms. On this screen, look for the option labeled Homepage Thumbnail for Facebook. This is the Open Graph image field for your homepage. When you set an image here, Facebook will prioritize it whenever your homepage URL is shared. It's designed for Facebook, but many platforms that read Open Graph data will use the same image too. Click to upload or select an image from your media library. Choose something that represents your brand clearly and will look good at different sizes. For best results, use a landscape image around 1200 by 630 pixels, or the common 1.91:1 aspect ratio. Keep the file size reasonable so it loads quickly, and stick to high-quality JPG or PNG. Avoid tiny images or ones with crucial text near the edges, since some cropping can occur depending on the device and feed layout. If you're uploading a new file, give it a clear name so you can find it easily later. After selecting your image, confirm it's showing in the Homepage Thumbnail for Facebook field, then save your changes. This is important. Saving locks in the new preview image and makes it available to Facebook the next time your homepage is shared. One keynote: this setting overrides any global default image specifically for your homepage. That means if you've set a site-wide open graph image elsewhere, the homepage will use this new one, while the rest of your site can still use the global default or their own post-specific images. If you don't see the new image immediately on Facebook, don't worry. Social networks cache previews, so updates can take a little time to appear. Just give it a bit, and your homepage should start showing the new image as people share it. That's it. You've set a clean, branded Facebook preview image for your homepage using Rank Math, helping your site stand out every time it's shared.